Here are 3 steps to go from 0 to 10K per month in SMMA without any experience, guys. What is going on? It's your boy Jordan. I took some time off because I've been so busy. As you can tell, we got a whole new setup in the studio here. Going to probably add some more things and make it look a little bit more interesting, but nonetheless, thank you for joining the journey. I know how far you guys have been following me since from my old bedroom of having a dinky little room to now in my apartment, and I'm definitely probably gonna drop an apartment tour to show you guys around so you guys can see what the upgrade, the glow up looks like. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section. If you haven't already, subscribe to the journey. All right, guys. So 3 steps, okay? I'm just gonna jump right into it, guys. The first step here, in order for you to grow from where you are at now in your agency, if you're a beginner or whatever, if you're below 10K per month, here's what you gotta do without any experience. The first thing that you can do is go and find a white labeling company, okay, that specializes in a very specific niche. There's a lot of people that reach out to me and ask, Jordan, what is the best niche to go after? What is the most sought after niche? Where is the money at? And you guys are overthinking, and there's paralysis in analysis, okay? So you guys tend to just overthink things and you guys just don't get anything started at all right? So here's your first action step. Go out there and look for someone that's willing to white label for you, that already has experience in whatever niche, okay? So the key part is that you gotta find someone that specializes in that niche, okay? Whatever it is, e-com or whatever, local business, whatever it is, okay? And you can find these white labeling companies, you know, myself, we do offer a little bit of that, but we're kind of taking a step away from that. So just go ahead and join my Facebook group. If you haven't already, it's absolutely free. The link is in the description. There's a ton of agency owners that you're gonna be able to connect with, as well as a lot of people who are, you know, there's from beginners to experts to people that are just willing to help you out, right? So just connect with people. So if you haven't already, join the Facebook group, guys, and just connect with people and say that you are looking for someone to white label, okay? So from there, you have someone that is going to provide results for you, okay? So now you got that step out of the way. You don't gotta think about the fulfillment part, okay? So you don't gotta worry about the fulfillment. You don't gotta learn Google ads, Facebook ads, or whatever it is that you plan on offering, because now when you find that white labeling company, you can just take their case studies, you can take their testimonials and get the results, right? And use that as leverage to sign on these clients, okay? And that's totally ethical, right? Because essentially they are an extension of your team, right? You are really the middleman. You get the client, and then you get the white labeling company, which is working on your behalf, right? And then you just connect the two, they get results for you essentially, and you keep the money in the middle, right? So that is the first step, is find a white labeling company that specializes in a specific niche. The second step that you need to do is now you gotta go out there and look for those clients, okay? So now that you have the niche figured out because you found someone that's willing to white label for you, and as well as they have the results already in that specific niche, you can take that and show it to these prospects, right? So whether you're reaching out via Facebook, Instagram, cold email, cold calling, whatever methods you decide to use, you have leverage that you can show to these prospects. And if you don't know how to prospect, or you don't know the prospecting methods yet, I have plenty of videos on my YouTube channel, so make sure you check them out. And I'm also going to be dropping a new fresh video on all the methods that you can use to reach out to potential clients, okay? So it doesn't really matter what method, there's really no best method, but the tip I will give you is to just be where your ideal clients are hanging out at, right? So figure out where they're at and just go there and just do your outreach method, okay? Show the case study, show the testimonial, show the results, show the numbers, okay? So really, goal there is to show that you have credibility, okay? And you're really using these case studies as leverage, right? So it doesn't matter how you reach out, just start putting yourself out there, start talking to people, okay? Just start talking to your ideal prospects, right? So that's step number 2, is to just start prospecting, put yourself out there and just start talking to people, okay? And then from there, really just get them in the door. So the next step, that leads to the third step, which is to get them on a sales call with you, right? This is where you need to have a little bit of sales skills, I guess. But the third step, sales and onboarding. This is where we're going to make the sell, and we're going to onboard them as a new client for the white labeling company to take over and start delivering results. Okay, so if you don't have a sales background, you don't have sales experience like myself. When I first started out, I was stuttering on these phones. I would hang up on myself because I was just so nervous to talk. But as you can see now, I've gotten a little bit better. I've dropped more sales calls on my YouTube channel, live sales calls for you to check out. So if you get stuck, make sure you watch those sales calls, you know, to see what questions I'm asking. You can basically write them down, and really the journey, the process of the sales calls is the same, right? Really just understanding where they're at right now, their pain points, and then understanding where their desires are, what their goals are, where they're trying to go, and then providing your service as the bridge to get them from point A to point B. So when you are able to do that, along with throwing case studies and results, success stories at them, they're going to give you a shot, okay? So when they give you a shot, and here comes the onboarding, you send them the proposal, whatever it is, you charge them for your management fee, whatever you decide to charge. If you don't know what to charge, I'm gonna drop a video on how much you should be charging. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, right? So after you onboard them as a client, you tell your white labeling company, you got a new client, let's get started. The white labeling company should know what to do and take care of the rest. Now, if you don't know how to onboard, the white labeling company, they might have a specific way or specific information they may need from the client. So really, you can kind of just, once you make the sale and the client agrees to join you, really from there, the white labeling company should be able to take on or take care of the rest, right? And then you pay your white labeling company, and then they'll take care of everything else. All right, guys, so those are the 3 quick steps on how you can go from 0 to 10K per month without any experience for your digital marketing agency, guys. It's really simple, but not easy, okay? It's simple, but not easy because not everybody's gonna put in the work. Not everybody's gonna go out there and take action of these 3 steps. It's really just 3 steps, guys. 3 steps to go from 0 to 10K. It can really just happen for you in the next 30 to 60 days, depending on how much work and effort you put in. So guys, if you guys appreciate this video and you guys wanna learn more about it, make sure you subscribe to the channel and spam that like button. I have a free masterclass. The link's in the description for you to learn more on my 3 systems that I use to grow from 0 to multiple 6 figures. We've been leveling up, as you can tell. Like, for those that's been following me, this is my new spot. I'm gonna give you guys, drop an apartment tour for you guys. And so my name is Jordan, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.